Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create anchor link on same page on WordPress. So let's get started. Now make sure that you are logged into your WordPress dashboard. After you are logged in, you're going to go to the posts section and go to all posts. So after we are here in all posts, we are going to open a post. Now I'm going to open this post. Now I'm going to add the anchor text in this same page so that I can demonstrate you. So this is a post, and I deliberately made the post a little bit longer so that I can demonstrate it to you guys easily. So I'm going to select some text. I'm selecting this portion of the text. Now I want to add anchor text to this portion of the text. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the link button. So this button is what I'm going to press. Now after you have pressed it, I'm going to type down hashtag FZSV2. Now what we're going to do is we are going to copy this portion. Alright, so this portion is now added as a link. Now when I press this FZSV2 text, I want my page to go directly over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this portion, and as I select this portion, I'm going to unlock the advanced section on the upper section block here. So if you're in post, then you will not find that section. So make sure that you are going to block and then going to advanced, and in advanced section you'll find HTML anchor. In HTML anchor we are going to paste down what we had copied earlier, but after pasting, make sure that you are deleting the hyphen sign on this side, and then when you're done, click on save. So after you have saved, you should now view the post. So I'm now viewing the post, and if I click on FZSV2, it should jump to that section of the page because I have created the anchor text link on that section. So as you can see, when I click on FZSV2, my page is directly jumping to that section of the page because I have given the anchor text name FZSV2 here and linked the anchor text FZSV2 to this text. So guys, that is how you can create anchor link on same page on WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.